LLaMA stands for Large Language Model Meta AI, and it is a collection of state-of-the-art foundation language models ranging from 7 billion to 65 billion parameters. The reason why these models are way more popular than the others is that they are smaller in size while delivering exceptional performance, significantly reducing the computational power and resources needed to experiment with the new and upcoming methodologies. These foundation models were trained on large unlabeled data sets such as GitHub, Wikipedia, Stack Exchange, and lot of others. This wide variety of data sets has empowered the models to achieve state-of-the-art performance that rivals the top performing models. Meta's Llama is one of the most popular families of large language models these days. Let's have a look what's included in this Llama ecosystem. The first one is, which is very famous, is RedPajama and also OpenAlpaca. These are replicated models, but they are provisioned under a permissive license. Then we have Alpaca, which is an instruction following model. Then for the chatbot models, we have Orca, Koala, and Vicuna. And also we have GPTQ for LLaMA, which is a quantization for LLaMA. Now, the quantization of a model allows for a more compact model representation and the use of high performance vectorized operation on many hardware platforms. A quantized model executes some or all of the operations on tensors. So this is what this GPTQ for Llama is. And then we have Alpaca LoRa, which is a fine-tuned model on consumer hardware. Then there are two more famous large language models which are WizardLM and WizardLM Uncensored. These are training data for other LLMs, and uncensored one is just uncensored training data. One model I skipped in the first one was this Chinese Llama Alpaca. This is simply more training data for different languages, and this family is or Llama ecosystem is evolving very rapidly. So keep an eye on it. Thank you.